Yo, Tony Metal Art right here. Over here at Joseph's place, getting his truck all blinged out, and I'm gonna show you the finish. Check it out. Yo, man, check out this truck though. It's already sold, man. Sorry, guys. He had it for sale, and somebody jumped on it, so it beat you to the punch. But check out these wheels though. Look at that whole undercarriage. That's all chrome right there, boy. We also got some more rims over here, but I don't got enough time to broadcast that, but just a real quick look. Alright, man, Tony Metal Art. See you.